Okay everyone, we are going to create this template. Let's go and try to create it fast. Some of you at first may think it's not have anything special, but the special thing about this is its transition and how we are going to create this. You see, the transition is made from some shapes that we are going to make them. How we make them? At first we create a new slide, and after creating that we need this shape that we have here. For this shape I downloaded a font. We call it Overdrive Sunset. You see it here. We can use it, I think. Let's see if we have the Overdrive Sunset or not. Let me just create a file, write thanks, and then go here to Overdrive Sunset. The font isn't installed in my device, this device. For that I need to download and install it, and after I download and install it, I use this shape and create a rectangle, and then select all by Ctrl A, go to shape and combine them. And this shape is created, but just for now, because I don't have the Overdrive Sunset, I use the shape. The shape has been created, but the great thing about this shape is that these colors and how these colors appear here. Let you see it another time from back. You see the color is coming in a base. Let's go and see how we can create them. The real thing about the color is this order we have. Let's see. First we create a shapes. We need to create 6 shapes, but for creating them we need to do something. We just copy that and go to insert and insert new slide and then format background and pick it from clipboard. Why we put it in the clipboard? For better can use it. Okay, we first need to create 3 rectangles, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we created the 3 of them. We need to put them out and color them up. For example, I'm going to use some amazing color like yellow, something with a soul and a great contrast with our dark color. Okay, it's good. I think this red is good. And then after creating that, we need to create another effect. I just press Ctrl and Shift and place them here. And after that, the thing I'm going to do is the most important thing about this presentation. I click on them and edit points. And after clicking here, this point is appeared that we can use for modifying them. You click on edit points, and then when you click here, this point has been appeared. And when you edit point another time, and then you can modify everything you want. I mean everything, and then here edit point, where is edit points, and let's go with this. I'm just going to put it downward. But you see, the problem is that this red is not going to be visible. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit and make it topper. Okay, now just what we need to create the order for these shapes and the colors. I'm going to color them up with blue here, with this, and I like a little, I think a little blue is good, another. Okay, now we just need to make them in order. How we do that? We put it back, then here, then here. After that we select both of them, put one here and one here. And we just format background to solid fill and make it black. We copy that and paste it here. and we copy that and paste it here. All we need to do now, here select Ctrl A and shape format, and then align them center, and then put them in the middle. But we have a problem in aligning them center. Can you guess the problem? If you can't guess, it's not a problem. The first problem is that we forget to put out the shape outline. It makes our work a little more professional. And the problem is that when you align it center, all the files, it's not going to work as you think. Okay, we align them all center. Now we just need to set the transition to morph. And then we need to format background to black here. Let's see what we created. You see, it's great and amazing effect that you created. It looked beautiful. This is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to ask me if you have any question in the comments, and please like and subscribe my works. Have a nice